Democracy in Africa is a product of colonialism.
I wouldn't agree with you on that.
Politics in Africa is paid for.
You see,
It's bought. Do you know elections in Africa is quite expensive? But majority of those who end up being elected comes with an agenda. And that is why I'm saying that for democratic institutions to benefit Africa, the minds of Africans should also change.
the worst democratic government is better than the best autocratic regime. I stand by that, and I stand to be challenged. There is a popular saying that if you want to know the real character of a man, give that person money and power. And once dictators have money and have power, that is the end of it. Every is now suppression, oppression, and destruction. So no dictator has there is no benevolent dictator anywhere. Because that benevolence, you think he's building roads, he's building bridges. Any opposition is crushed, any opposition is killed. I've asked you, would you want your president, you describe him as an excellent man, to transit into a dictator? We have a president in Nigeria. No matter how we describe it, no matter how benevolent he expresses himself, I wouldn't want him to have extra 1 year beyond the constitutionally recognized tenure.